ran into this piece of Tiffany stone. It's got a cavity in it. And this thing is loose.
Little fluorite crystals. It's like a
big-
glob of fluorite crystals. Huh?
And I don't want to destroy it. I think that's going to be really cool. I put a screwdriver that goes back into there, and it goes back, oh, way. It goes way farther than I thought. It goes all the way back to here.
So you're gonna have to start on this side and come this way. Yeah?
I think I'm just going to go right there. Well, this here don't go, this one goes back to about there. So I think I'm going to go right there. That's what I think I'm going to do.
Let's try it.
Let's do it. That's a long one.
It can fit.
Get it. All right, let's cut it. Get that chunk out of there. A little bit.
He can't help himself.
I didn't mean to. I got another rock in my eye. I got a rock in my eye again.
Huh?
And it just happened. So
Uh-huh.
there we go.